This is Susie Black from Movement and Music, here with another short clip to help you become more active with your friends and loved ones. In this song, we're singing Pack Up Your Troubles in Your Old Kit Bag, which even if you don't know the words, an older relative is almost bound to be able to sing it all the way through. It's quite a long song to learn, so it might be as well to have an MP3 player playing it while you're singing along if you feel you're going to struggle with the words. Because they're carrying an old kit bag in the song, we're going to make this movement shoulder shrugs. So if you picture your kit bag is heavy and it's weighing you down, you can take it off and you can rest your shoulders for a while and shrug them out. This is really important in keeping our heads up high, keeping our shoulders back and down so that we can stay mobile for longer. We'll have better balance and we'll be able to see where we're going more easily if we've got nice loose shoulders. It also helps with functional things like getting dressed and being able to comb your hair. So it's a really good exercise to be doing with friends, relatives and loved ones. People with dementia don't tend to create as many movements, and this is a nice way to be able to add some specific mobilizers into your day. So we're singing it again, just to make sure we get lots and lots of social engagement there too. Thanks. Bye.